Hello my lovely ravens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel and today I'm going to flip through this journal that I've been making over the last 5 episodes. It is finished. I simply cannot bring myself to make all the ephemera in front of you on camera because it's not that exciting. Unless you want me to do an ephemera video, I'm more than happy to do one. Let me know in the comments down below. So first of all, we have this spine dangle. It's got all sorts of stuff on it. A chain with a bell and a coin piece that says breathe. Some ribbon, some very soft yarns, some lace, some see-through fabric, some of this faux fur, which is really soft. It's very textured. Then here we have a baggie that I made myself from, I think it's just tracing paper or vellum. And I have all these pieces of journaling, like all these journaling cards in there. These are the months of the year, which have various things to do with those months of the year on them. They can be used as journaling cards or as just as ephemera in the journal. And then I have these random small cards. I did not want to put everything inside, mainly because the journal is big as it is. Then I made a strap that goes around it. So to undo it, you can just undo it like that and slide it off, or undo the whole thing. This is just the same fabric, and the back of the fabric is lace. Then we have the cover of the journal, which has that name card or whatever you want to write on there really. And then the back. This is the spine. The spine is, where is my ruler? 3 inches. The journal itself is about 11 by 8 inches. So let's have a look inside. This is what we have inside when we first opened the journal. So I've put a little envelope here that has a piece of black card in it. So it's basically just a journaling tuck spot card thing, however you want to call it, with a piece of faux fur. And then here I made another little flap that opens, which has a pocket inside, and inside that pocket we have a tarot card, a journaling card or bookmark. They're long, so it looks like a bookmark. So yeah, another journaling card, more journaling cards. They're actually book, the reader's progress for a book, but I think you can use them for various things. And some tags and another tarot card. So I'm just closing this up, but if she wants to, this expands on the side. It's about 1 centimeter that it expands, but it does expand on the side. So if there's something that she just wants to keep safe and put in here, it does hold that as well. Just closing it like so. This is the first page. So yeah, she has journaling space down here and that beautiful raven page here. I left lots and lots and lots of journaling space just because I know she needs it. This is a leaf I found outside when I was walking and I thought it was pretty. I put it in there. This is a flip out page. This is, I can see that some of those lines, they made a blue line here as well. This is from sheet music. And all these papers have different textures to them. This is an interesting one. This is a little pocket you can take out and you can put stuff inside there if you like to, if you don't want to damage your journal. So you can keep it safe still, but if it's like something from the ground that has some soil on it, you can still put it in there. Lots of writing space. This is the middle of the signature. It has 4 signatures because she wanted one for one every quarter or one for every season. There's a pocket here. It has lots of ephemera in there. All the other side is blank and tea stained. Then I used the side of this sheet to put all these little tassels on to have that textural experience. It's very, very soft, this yarn. Here's a down flip out and another one. Let me see, take this off first. Another down or up flip out. You can put stuff inside there. And this is a paper clip with a piece of card on it. Then again, with the side of this thing, I put some yarn through those holes and it's super soft again. And here we have another card with a piece of card, a pocket with a piece of card in it. Just 2 pieces of card, just for journaling space. And this is a piece of, do you know these old photo albums where they have the protection sheet? That's this stuff. It's just clipped on here like so. That's the end of signature 1. Also, it has a bookmark that I completely skipped. It has 2 bookmarks. This one with a little key and another one that also has a little key at the bottom there. So all of them have tabs. There's a little one of those paper clips again, covered paper clips. Oh, and this is, by the way, it flips open and open like that. This is mulberry paper. More of that texture at the top there. And as I said, lots and lots of writing space. Here's another tuck spot. Well, two actually. It's been a while since I've been through this journal. A tarot card, a tag, and a journaling card. And here are just some sheets of paper. And this is another tuck spot. And this one has a black card inside. I really thought this was a cool little pocket. Another one of those paperclip tabs things. And more of that vellum paper and cards. The middle of the signature. A flip out. And there's so much you can add to this journal. Like to these flip outs, you can put a photo on here. You can close it to have a tuck spot. You can add more pages to this so it flips out. This is from sheet music as well. A spider pocket. It says shine with a moon clip. And this has a little booklet inside with papers. And this is the third signature. Here we have a little pocket with a hand and another card. That's what that signature looks like. More of that texture stuff. Oops, lots of ephemera. Here's the bell that I always add to all my journals, with a little bit of lace in this case. The inside page. Another one of those tabs. You can place them anywhere in the journal really, and this flips open like that. It's just held together with this thing. So it looks like one page, but it flips out. A little bit of a secret pocket. Here's another one of those pockets you can take out. Sheet music. And this is the last signature. It will flip up. Some lace at the top there. Another feather I found. Pocket with ephemera. It says free spirit. Another one of those pockets. This is just a paper clip with a tag, and this flips open and open and open. And then we have a little tuck spot here with ephemera. Another one of those tab paper clips and journaling cards. More of that lace, or it's not lace, it's ribbon yarn. Here's the other bookmark. More ephemera. And another one of those pockets with a little book inside. It says magic on the little dangle. And this is the end of the book. And you've seen me make this. I changed the dangle because the other one was just way too big and heavy. So now it's just a little lucky coin. And this is just a pocket. So there we have it. There's all the pages and ephemera and the whole flip through of this journal. I am so happy with how this turned out. I would make this for myself, being that it's really heavy. Yeah, it's about 1.1 kilo. So this one is gonna be off to his home very, very soon. And I hope that Jennifer will be absolutely happy with how this looks. And I'm gonna say bye-bye to you all now. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you all in the next one.